Hi, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to delete a Google account. To do so, open your browser, that is a Chrome browser. In the address bar, type in accounts.google.com. Press enter. As a step 1, you will have to enter your email address or user ID of your Gmail account or our Google account, and then say next. You will have to enter your password of this account. Once you are done, again click next. After you are completely logged in, you will have to see to the left hand section, the left pane. There are many options like personal info, data privacy, security, people and sharing, and payment and subscription. What we should be interested in the second option called as data and privacy. So I click on the data and privacy as a step 2. In this, on the right hand side, you will see many such options, to edit your account information. Right now, we have to scroll down to the extreme bottom. Alright, in this, you will have to locate a title called as more options. In more options, there is a submenu called as delete your Google account. The moment you click on delete your Google account, Google is prompting me to enter the password again. This is one more layer of authentication. So I'll again enter my password. Right. So I say next. Once I say next, it is now prompting me to send a verification code onto my mobile number. This is another layer of authentication which is enforced by Google at this point in time. So I say send. So the moment I enter my verification code, I have been taken to this page, where we see some options or particular options like delete your Google account. We'll have to scroll down a bit. Here Google is showing me the services which this account is associated with it, and if there are some data in it, it will show me. Like in my Gmail account, it's showing there's one email which I have received. It is showing as one conversation will be deleted and so on. So just a summarized view what all will be deleted. Alright. So I scroll down. Now here Google is asking us to give a consent. Yes, I acknowledge that I still responsible, etc. etc. So you will have to click all the check boxes. This is the second option. Yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account. Once I click on it, you have to click on the button called as delete account. Once you click on it, there's a confirmation from Google. Yes, your Google account and all its data have been deleted. Alright, so this is how we delete a Google account. If you find this video useful, do not forget to give us a like and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.